When Disney Plus isn't working on your Sky Q box, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that solve most common issues. Next, power cycle all your devices. Turn off your Sky Q box, modem, and router for 30 seconds, then turn them back on in order. Check your internet connection speed. Disney Plus requires a stable connection with at least 25 megabits per second for 4K content. For SkyQ specific issues, try these targeted solutions that address the unique integration between Disney Plus and your SkyQ system. Make sure your SkyQ software is up to date. Also, try changing the power mode from Eco to None in your settings menu. If basic steps don't work, try these advanced troubleshooting methods that address deeper system issues. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Sky or Disney Plus support for personalized assistance. The good news is that Sky is working on software updates to fix these Disney Plus compatibility issues. These updates should eliminate the need for hardware replacements and provide a smoother streaming experience.